Welcome back, everybody. This is a build with me, or a build and chat. We built this one working on the parrot, which boop, it's like this, right? So what we're going to do is this is going to be set aside, and we're going to build what looks to be a flower. This is our first piece, right? Kind of have these set out, and we need 4 of these. And they're going to go right here. How's everybody doing? I've been wanting to get this done or work on it. It's been sitting here in bags, not doing much. So thought maybe I would trade for these and for these, which I already dug out. Oh, never mind. I didn't dig those out. I need the single ones. Never mind. Thank God I already see them. Okay, now we got 4 of those. They're single ones. Those are doubles. Okay. So, been wanting to work on this and spend time with you guys and everything. So, figured why not today. So, Amber took apart the frog and every other one, I believe. And these are going to be able to move. That's cool. Took apart the frog and built the fish, which I will put in the description. Or in the community post. I took a picture of it. So she would have it. So we took the frog apart too, or the fish apart too. So, yep, took the fish apart too. Because the main thing was, and she, the only reason she even did it is so that she could still see it. And we all agree that the parrot is the one everybody wants to, wants to keep. So, and these are going to move too. Flower opens up, flower closes. Look at our flower coming along. Yep. And the next step is on the back, right? So you got to flip it over. That's what this symbol is. And on this, we're going to add this. Oh, wait a minute. We're going to add the other way. And then on this, we're going to add this black one. And then this goes right in here. And then it goes on here. Oop. So you can position this flower anyway, and it moves this way and will move this way. All right. Moving right along is the next flower, and it's different color. But you start off the same way, and it looks like these are the pieces we're putting in the middle. Looks like. I don't know. I'll try and make sure, because it sure looks like two different colors. And there sure seems to be more of those than what I need. So I will check the other bag of littles. I didn't think I seen any purple ones in here that were little like that. I do see these. That might be the littles I need. That means 4 of those. And we need 4 of these. Those ones. And then the other bag of littles is where I'm finding the other 4 that I need, I think. Those and those are this step. These 4, I think, are this step. We need 4 of those. We'll put that back in there. And then these, and this is step 21. Okay. All right. So we'll stick these on here. Just the flower is going to be a little different. That's all. Thank goodness, because I think it'll look really cool when they're all different. And if they're all the same. And then these go here. I straighten them and then they pop off. But can't get them on there if they're all perfectly. And then these go on here, here. Oh, what happened to your outer piece? Okay. Okay. All right. Then we've got these. Oops. That are getting these on. Oh. 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 Hope everybody's month is starting out okay. Brand new month. Let's make the best of it, guys. Brand new month. We are flying through the months here. Right? Just flying. So hopefully you have a positive plan for this month, right? And you know, they say make a plan, work a plan, right? So hopefully you can work your plan after making it. Oh, did I skip one? Yeah, because I still need the same ones I needed for the back of the other ones. I don't know if they were in here or the other one. Actually, I don't see them in here. Okay. We needed this one. And a black one. And we needed this one. And this one. I think. Goes like that. No, it does not. No, it does not. Because I know that the back was even. Because this one goes on the back. And then this goes on here in the center. And then this one, we'll get this one back, goes up here. Now, you can put these on whichever way you want. The purple one can be on the bottom. The pink one can be on the top. This one also is going to move, right? You do not need to put them. They can be opposite. Don't necessarily have to be this way. But there we go, guys. Look at that. And then the next ones are really simple, right? I'm really pushing it that this is going to jump off and cut me off. You know what I'm saying? But if it does, right? If it does jump off and kick me off, you guys just know that. Make sure you're checking those little ones. Make sure you're, you know, taking care of your elderly and your fur babies, right? Make sure that you are taking care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, then you're not going to be able to take care of anyone else. So make sure you're really taking care of yourself. We need one of those. And I think there's another one somewhere right there. Okay. And then we need two that's in this bag. We need, well, two. We need four that's in this bag. And we need this one. Okay. Now, these are pretty simple, right? We're putting on here. Putting that on. Putting that on. Oh, well, I didn't put anything on. And then I'll put it on here. And then these are going here, and you can put them anywhere. I know you're not on there very well. And it may pop off 2 times before I can even get the last one on. And here. Kind of leaves that bottom one kind of empty, don't it? I'm going to put them like that, guys. Actually, you're going to scoot over here and then just turn that way. So, yeah. Now, it may have to move. The bird may have to come and be put on there. But we're going to start that next time. Right there. Right? This is going to get into the bird's feet and stuff. So, yeah. We're going to start this next time. Okay, guys? All right, everybody. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Look at what we've done so far. We've got these flowers. These flowers move. The base is coming out pretty good, right? So, everybody, thank you so much for stopping by and spending time with me. Making sure you're checking out for your little ones, your fur babies, and the elderly. And if you don't have any of those around you, right, check on a neighbor. Call an old friend, right? Get out there in the world and show God's love. Even if you don't have any for yourself or have any of your own love, you do have God's love because God loves each and every one of us. Remember, He's only a prayer away, no matter what you've done, right? Everybody, right? Take care of yourselves. Weather's changing, be ready, or weather alert. All right, everybody? All right, from my family to yours, we want to send you our hugs, our love, and our prayers. Everyone, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And remember, I love you.